Tell me about ConExpo and ConAg.
So ConExpo-Con is North America's largest construction show. It's the premier event for construction professionals to connect from every major sector within the construction industry. Held once every 3 years, it is really the gathering place for the industry, featuring the newest equipment, products, technologies, and services.
What's new at this year's ConExpo?
What's new? So much. So much will be new this year. So to start off, probably the newest visual thing will be the addition to our show footprint and campus of the Wuesthoff and the Diamond Lot. So those are our new exhibit hall and parking area at the Las Vegas Convention Center. For ConExpo-Con veterans, this used to be the Gold Lot. And for people that might have been at our 2020 show, it was a giant construction site when we were there in 20 because they were building that. So we're utilizing that new exhibit hall and outdoor lot. Also something new that will be in the Las Vegas Convention Center is the Tesla-powered loop. So that is an underground tunnel system with Tesla cars in there, and that connects various halls in the Las Vegas Convention Center. So it'll be a pretty neat experience for people to travel underground in these cars and save themselves some steps and really get them across campus quickly.
From a side note, I didn't realize that ConExpo is going to be doing that too. I've experienced that at CES, and it's very cool. I assume it's the same setup as it was for that?
Same thing, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's permanent. You know, the building put that in, so of course any shows are utilizing it. You know, the larger events tend to max out the system and really, put it to its design use by moving lots of people. It's very cool. CES, I was kind of surprised by the amount of chatter we heard from people. I mean, it's a tech show, right? And people are like, this is the coolest thing ever. And it was the Tesla rides underground. So definitely a neat experience. And of course, great that it has a sustainability angle too, right? That we're, using electric powered vehicles to help, reduce some of that carbon output.
So the company I work for, Ken Cook, we do a lot of educational material and educational content. Is there any educational things that are happening at ConExpo or things that are very specific to this year's ConExpo?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's really so much education at the show that the entire show really is a learning opportunity. That's probably the biggest value about traveling to Las Vegas and to coming to ConExpo-Con. And of course, attendees are learning simply by walking around the exhibit and seeing what companies have on display and, listening to some, talks that they might be having from their product engineers or other leaders in the industry. We also have our ConExpo-Con education program that is over 150 sessions, all divided into tracks. There's really quite too many of them for me to feature any one or two in particular. I would recommend going to our website, ConExpo-Con to check out all of our education offerings. We really have just kind of something for everyone.
Excellent. So what do you see are the trends that people are bringing to ConEg and ConExpo this year?
Trends. I'm definitely seeing, a shift in the construction industry, more towards a sustainability. There's a lot of more sustainable products, technologies, innovations, practices in general that are helping to support a more sustainable world. And I really think that attendees are going to see those, kind of sustainability in action at the show. So whether that is electric or hydrogen-powered construction equipment, or more recyclable materials, or even more opportunities for waste reduction. That's really been a theme that we've been seeing, and we've been hearing from our exhibitors that they're bringing that to the show.
Excellent. Is there anything specific you think we should try to attend?
Oh my gosh, there really is just so much out there. And in fact, I had just seen an exhibitor press release the other day that was really featuring, their exhibit and everything they're doing, and it was so exciting. And we're getting into that time frame where we're just going to hear more and more from the brands. So I couldn't possibly choose one. It's like a kid in a candy store. You really have so much to see around every corner. So I would definitely say to, again, go to the show resources that help you plan. If you go to ConExpo-Con and you can click on, the exhibitor directory, there's features of new products, innovative products. You can see all of that great information that exhibitors are putting out there to say why you want to come and visit their stand.
So this is, again, I have my 4th ConExpo, so I definitely am going to be going to this ConExpo as well. But why should other people attend? What's the main reason why a brand new person in the industry should come and attend a con or ConEx?
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm going to just go back to that learning aspect. It is the place to see, that new products, innovation, services, technology. It's sort of that one spot where you're going to be able to see what's coming next, how to be prepared for it, how to take all that information and utilize it to improve your career or your business. And it really is such a can't miss opportunity, because if you miss it, you got to wait 3 years again for it.
Yep. So how do people actually register for the show? How do they actually sign up to come? Where do they go?
Super easy. ConExpo-Con.com. Go to registration, and that's it.
Excellent.